So rather than, we've all had the experience of like, a high pressure salesperson in our house.
Absolutely.
And because our guys are, paid on a base salary and things are like that, when you have someone in your house, they're not trying to sell you stuff you don't need. They're just there to, fix the system and give you a quote on, if it needs replacement or just advise you. And so I think that's really helped us
We're seeing some really good video of, the team in action. And, like you said, you're all technicians. You know what's needed. You're not trying to upsell people. You're just trying to, if they have a great AC unit or heating, you can help them, make it more efficient or give them their repairs. But you also have, some discounts for people that you're offering right now.